Wait, actually... Actually, where am I supposed to go other than there? That is the question. Uh-oh, what the fuck? Where am I? What? Oh! Ah! Run past him! Run past him! Run past him! Whee! Yeah, especially in this place where monsters chase you. That is... Is that annoying? Okay. Now, will you work? It not work! Why it not work? Suddenly, Hanako-san! Hi, Hanako-san! Hanako at the toilet. Hmm? Is that footsteps? Or my footsteps? No! No, 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 no. Just keep swimming. Keep swimming. Swimming, 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 swimming. What do you do when you... I forgot the rest of the song. Hmm. Hmm? Hmm. Ha! Hmm. Ha! Hmm. What? Okay. Make a friend. Like Build-A-Bear. Oh my god. Hey, you wanna go in there, guy? I can't go in there. Never mind. Wait, maybe if I... Okay, yeah, I can go in there. Yeah! Yeehaw! Let's go! Which door? Okay, that one's locked, so we can't. Oh, this one's locked. Okay. Kid, Wait, what? Wait, what? Did I just wink? Go in. Okay. Wait, there's more? There's more? Guys? No! No, no, no! Guys, I'm so close! Why do I have to go through this? Stop. No, no! Get me out of here! No, God save me! No! There's no chase screen, right? Like, scene, right? God. Ah, no! Ah!
You opened my case.
Go! Go, go! I have to run again? No, no, no. Oh. Is that it? Is that it? Is that it? Chapter 1 done? Okay. You couldn't really see it, but I was like backing away in my chair.